If you are looking for an amazing trail camera to capture that wildlife or check out what the deer are doing in your area, you are absolutely going to love this one by GardePro. I really like this a lot. One of the things I like, they even send you the memory card, which is great. I took this off the stand so I could show you up close how this works. So it will take 4K video, which is absolutely awesome. It has night vision. This thing is waterproof as well. So what you're gonna do here is, it also has a stand right here for the tripod, which is absolutely awesome. So right over there, we're gonna open this just like this. So this is your battery. It's gonna come with a tab here. You're just gonna pull that out and then you will be good to go. So it's real simple here. You're gonna put your card right in there. And then you're gonna just turn this on just like that, and it's gonna boot up. So you can kind of see my face right over here. So it's capturing that inside. So it's really nice when you're setting this up like this. You can kind of see what you're looking at right over here. It also has the date, the time that everything's being recorded in, which is nice. And we could even move this around if we wanted to as well. Move it up, down. You have a menu over here. So you have all these different selections, how you want to record, where your photo quality, the boost, the video quality. This thing is absolutely amazing. If you are looking for a great trail cam to capture wildlife in your backyard or to figure out what's going on around your area for hunting, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.